Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Fortnite, and more specifically, I'm going to talk about how to buy Fortnite gift cards or V-Buck gift cards for somebody, or actually for someone else, not yourself. So let's go ahead and talk about this, guys. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not a lot of information to talk about, but I'm going to go over a couple of key points, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to buy V-Bucks for somebody else? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe your kids play Fortnite and they want to change their clothing or skins for their characters in Fortnite. And in order to do that, you need to use the in-game currency, which is V-Bucks. But how do you buy V-Bucks for someone else? That's what we're going to talk about. So here I have the Epic Games website pulled up. This is the company that owns and runs Fortnite. And if you're looking to buy V-Bucks for someone else, it's really going to depend on how they play Fortnite. So Fortnite is basically, it is a free game that you can download onto a lot of different systems. So you can play Fortnite on the PlayStation, you can play Fortnite on Xbox, Nintendo Switch. You can even play Fortnite on a PC, Android devices, and your Apple devices. And the interesting and unique thing about Fortnite is you cannot buy one individual V-Bucks that applies to all different platforms. So if your kids play Fortnite on PlayStation, then you're gonna have to buy a different type of gift card than if your kids play Fortnite on an Xbox. So the first step is figuring out or asking how that person plays Fortnite. So we're gonna go over probably about 5 different ways to buy V-Bucks for someone else. So the first thing is, if your kids play Fortnite on PlayStation, then you're gonna order what's called a PlayStation Store gift card, or sometimes called a PSN gift card. If you don't know how to buy one of those, check my video description. I did another video in detail on how to buy a PlayStation Store gift card. But again, if your kids play Fortnite on the PlayStation, you need to buy a PlayStation Store gift card, because if you buy something else, it's just not going to work for them. So that's the first way to buy V-Bucks for someone else. The second way is, if your kids play Fortnite on an Xbox, then you will need to buy an Xbox gift card. And that is a company that's run by Microsoft. So again, if they play Fortnite on an Xbox, you need to buy an Xbox gift card in order for them to buy V-Bucks with. A third, one of the more popular ways to play Fortnite is on the Nintendo Switch. In order to buy V-Bucks for somebody who plays Fortnite on a Nintendo Switch, you need to buy them a Nintendo eShop gift card. Check my video description, I'll try to leave a quick link there. Again, that's for Nintendo Switch players that use Fortnite, you need to buy a Nintendo eShop gift card. Now, if your kids play Fortnite on their iPad or maybe on their iPhone, then you're going to need to buy an iTunes gift card. Now, with the iTunes gift card, they can make a purchase in-app and use that towards V-Bucks on Fortnite in their iOS device. So again, that's for an iPad or an iPhone. Now, one of the tricky ways to buy V-Bucks for your kids or for someone else is going to be on a PC and an Android. There isn't a one individual type of gift card, like a PlayStation gift card or an Xbox gift card or a Nintendo Switch eShop gift card. If your kids play Fortnite on a personal computer, a PC, or on an Android phone, there is no gift card to buy them V-Bucks with. So for those two types of users, the only option that I can think of is going to be giving them a prepaid Visa or a prepaid debit card. But one of the downfalls for that is that you do get charged money to buy those. A lot of times when you buy a Visa gift card or a MasterCard gift card, it's going to cost you $3.95 plus however much you put onto the gift card. So that eats up probably 20% of what you might be putting on the gift card. So again, that is for PC and Android users. There is no type of gift card that you can send them V-Bucks on Fortnite. The closest option is going to be some sort of a Visa gift card or a MasterCard gift card. So just to recap, if you want to buy V-Bucks on Fortnite for someone else, if they're playing on PlayStation, you want to go ahead and search for a PlayStation Store gift card. If they play on Xbox, you want to buy an Xbox gift card. If they play on a Nintendo Switch, then you will need to buy a Nintendo eShop gift card. If they play on like an iPad or an iPhone, an iOS device, then they will need an iTunes gift card. And then with a PC and Android, there's not really an easy way to buy them V-Bucks, aside from maybe buying a Visa gift card or a MasterCard gift card. So that's the easiest ways I know how to buy V-Bucks on Fortnite for someone else. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.